Your Fortnite game is crashing because of unstable DirectX 12 rendering. But you can fix direct crash in Fortnite immediately by forcing a DirectX 11 launch. This simple workaround stops the game from overloading your graphics drivers and brings back smooth, uninterrupted gameplay. First, we need to modify the launch arguments inside the Epic Games launcher. Open your settings, scroll to Fortnite, check the additional command line box, and type -D3D11. This forces the engine to run on the highly stable DirectX 11 platform instead of the crash-prone 12 version. If that first step does not clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in system configuration files, which brings us to method 2. We will navigate to your local app data folder, open the Fortnite game settings file, and manually change the preferred rendering API to DirectX 11. This direct file edit overrides any stuck settings that prevent the game from launching. If the crash persists, updating your graphics card drivers and verifying the integrity of your game files in the Epic Games library will repair any corrupted files causing the crash. Follow these steps to get back into the battle bus.